about to answer it.
Hello?
Hello? I can hear you now.
Dominique?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I said, rat city chick, rat city chick.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Huh? Yeah, but you at your house. Yo, how far away from here are you? Dang, I need to take a bath, put some clothes on. Oh, but okay.
You can get this chore, you need.
I know. Huh?
See, but you can get up and do everything else.
No, wait, you gonna take me up my house?
You get this box?
Yeah, take me up because I'm gonna go up there. Alright, bye. Taylor.
Dominique, I thought we was gonna go to the park. I thought we was gonna go to the park.
In this court, on this court.
I can't. I'm about to go to my grandma's house.
You see how you do? You see how you do? You have to make me so. You have to see my facial expression right this moment. See how you do me?
I gotta call you back.
It's just like.
Bye.